Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today for you, we are going to be going over all of the diamond paintings that I did in 2023, as it was my first real year of actually finishing diamond paintings. I finished, I believe, 8, and these are in no particular order, but I just wanted to share with you. So this one here, So I started this one in 2022, and I didn't end up finishing it until like February of 2023, and this is the Cauldron of Myrrh by Ivy Dallimore. It is 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters. There is 50 colors with 4 ABs. And I did make many enhancements with this kit. If you have ever watched You Can Call Me Butter, she actually helped me a lot with this one. So that was fun. She was really fun and easy to work with. This next one is a Diamond Art Club. This is called Cinderella by Mandy Manzano, and she is a 42 by 59 centimeters, and this is the first painting that I made complete enhancements with. Nobody helped me, but I bought a lot of things from DP with Sparklers, and I just went to, I just went to town on this one. And it was really fun. Next up here. Oh, and there was, I believe, 33 colors with 3 ABs on top of what I did for this painting. Next is this one here. It is a special drill painting. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter, and I believe I got this one as well from DP with Sparklers. I believe. But I don't know the painting name. I called it, they're kids at the sea, and I realized that I'm missing a drill on that one. But I really did just like working on it. It was a perfect snack size kit. Oh, by the way, so this Cauldron of Myrrh was a square. Cinderella, this painting here was a round. This painting was a round. And then this is my first ever completed painting from Craftibly. This one is actually called, forget the name. So her name is Ride Your Dreams. She is by Jody Bergsma. And then I don't remember the size of this one. I'm going to pull it over here just a second. They do theirs in inches, and it is a 20-inch by 28-inch. And one of my paintings just fell off my table. But she was a round. I absolutely love how this one turned out. And then I have another one from Diamond Art Club. So most of my paintings so far have been from Diamond Art Club. I'm sorry, this is my first year in review. But I did finish this guy here. She is absolutely gorgeous. This is a square from Diamond Art Club. This is Petals Fall. She is a 102 centimeters by 51 centimeters, and she is a Yume art painting, and she's excuse me, playing the flute. This one did take me quite a bit because the drills were they were the older drills and they weren't the greatest. But we had 42 colors and I believe 4 ABs. No, 3 ABs. So this is Petals Fall, which I'm just going to turn that way because it's easier. This next one is from Diamond Art Club as well. This is a Sandra Withers painting. This is Red Riding Hood. It is a 56 centimeter by a 71 centimeter painting. It is a round. She had 36 colors with 3 ABs. And last, or actually no, I have 2 more. This next one is from Craftibly. It was a round. It is a 12 by 12. This is Fairy Faces 112 by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. There is 49 colors with, let's see, 4 ABs and 3 crystals. And then this one, technically I finished in the month of January 2024, but it was only 2 rows, so 6 squares. So I'm not counting it as a finish for 2024. I am counting it as a finish for 2023 since most of it was done. But this is a square diamond painting. This is Make a Wish, Take a Bite by Mandy Manzano. It is a 42 centimeter by 106 centimeters. This painting here, I think only had 48 colors and 1 AB, which just means Aurora Borealis. And those are the only finishes I had for 2023. I think for my first year of diamond painting, I did really well. This kit and Petals Fall actually kind of burned me out a little bit, so I did kind of take a little hiatus from diamond painting. But overall, I enjoyed all of the paintings that I worked on. I think my favorite kit would be Petals Fall by You May Art and Cinderella by Mandy Manzano. But yeah, so these are just my quick little finishes. And I will see you in January 2024 month in review on all the finishes that I have completed, which I have almost completed 1.5 so far. So I think I'm doing pretty well. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment down below which out of all of these paintings was your favorite. And I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye.